Midjourney is an AI-powered art generator that creates images using various text descriptions inputted by users. In this video, we're going to test out some random ideas and see what Midjourney comes up with. Some of these designs get pretty interesting. Before diving in, make sure to subscribe and hit like. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we can head over to Midjourney's website and then we can select join the beta. Midjourney currently runs through a Discord server, so we're going to have to accept the invite and then we can get started. Now that we're in the Discord server, you can click on to any of these newcomer rooms. So let's do newbies 19. There's other people within the chat whose images will pop up so you can get some inspiration, kind of see what's going on. To get started, you just go into the messages at the bottom, do a / and type imagine, then you can hit tab. From here, as you can see, some others above have done. You can just type in a text command for whatever type of image you're imagining. So you can do something like Kylie Jenner eating soup in the mall, and then hit enter. From there, you'll have to wait a little bit of time as the AI kind of generates the image, but you can see the percent loading, and ultimately you'll see 4 different quadrants as they've just started to appear with 4 images that have been generated. Okay, kind of see it. I see some soup coming in. You can see the percentage as it loads. Okay. All right, so we're done loading. Wow, okay. Very interesting. I'm not sure I see soup in this one, but these are pretty solid. Okay, let's try another one. Again, type in imagine. Let's do Scooby-Doo wearing sunglasses on the beach. It's probably easier to not do pop culture or cartoon character or things like that. I see something coming in. Definitely looks like a dog. It's always kind of fun to look at what other people created. I'm not sure what that is. Shiba, okay, streetwear Shiba. Okay, I can kind of see it, it's pretty good. Okay, for our final one, we can again do imagine, and then let's do dads playing poker in a basement. I think if you have something more generic, it's probably easier for the AI to kind of create something from scratch. See the poker table coming in? Wow. This one's kind of solo, and then you can kind of see them as a group. Awesome. And again, if you click this refresh button, you can have the AI create new images. Or if you really like one, for instance, I like this 4th one, you can click this here and the image will be recreated, singled out with higher quality in a larger image. So here we go, very cool. So it's pretty wild. You can type in anything you can think of. The AI will absorb that text and then create an image from scratch. Now it's your turn to try out Midjourney. Hope you enjoyed this video and look forward to more content coming soon.